We're just clapping, and then I'm gonna sit right there.
Oh, I have to look at you.
Yeah, because we're gonna have a conversation.
Oh, okay. Take one.
All right, this is patient number 3. This is Dorothy. She got all on necks upper. Take 1.
When I grew up, our dentist over there didn't give us an option. If they see something wrong with your teeth, they just pull it out. They didn't give you an option. No treatment or anything. They just love to pull it out. And I don't know. I was just, I was young. I don't know what's going on. So that led up, like, keep on progressing. And, oh, sorry.
It's okay though. It's a good thing that you're experiencing this, because a lot of people, they feel the same way as you. And some of them even don't even go the whole, to find a solution. And you're actually helping us convince people that what you did was worth it and it changed your life.
And if anything gets too difficult, just let us know. We'll take a break. We got no problem taking breaks.
Just keep in mind that being open like this, and because it's hard to show vulnerability, especially if it's something very traumatic. But this is going to help so many people out there that are still not wanting to get it because they're afraid or they're not on the fence of getting it. So if they feel like they understand you through their story, it's probably going to help them.
I guess my biggest struggle will be probably just maybe requesting for within like 5 years, maybe to need like an update every like 5 years or 6 years or 10 years. So probably that's the biggest struggle. Or maybe eating wise, probably must be a little different. And I've been going to the dentist, but sometimes I ask about the implant. But they're thinking that it might not be good for me because I lost so much bones already on my front. So those things are not being, offered to me, because they might thinking I might just had a full danger, which I don't like. So I kept as much as I can with the partial. So that what led me in. He kind of offered me for that one. So.
They're slating for take 2 for discussion for all on it.
You told me about the process, and I was kind of hesitant if I want to do it or not.
Right.
And all of a sudden, I was thinking, because I asked for another renewal of the partial, right? And you said, and you asked me, we can do this. So
Yeah. No, I'm glad you kept those teeth, and at least I know partials are hard to deal with, but. Because you also, when you get a removable, and you have to remove the remaining teeth, you're gonna even lose more bone, and that's more detrimental to your facial structure in the long run. But your body healed, and we're able to go ahead and I think we did about 6 implants on the upper, and they've turned out beautiful. So I'm very happy.
I think smile is contagious. If everybody see that, means you're nice. You're good. You give you a good, spirit. You're being a human being, that you can have a good smile. It shows that how you're being appreciated, like that one. So I think go for it. I have no hope. I don't know that I can do this one. Thanks to him that he offered me this one, that I can do it. Yeah, it's been a struggle. So if I was hopeless for the longest time. I said, I'm gonna die like this. But I guess not anymore. It's like I have a good smile now. So, but there's always hope,